You might have heard AI multiple times. You might have used ChatGPT, you might have used Nano Banana Pro to generate images, and a lot of other stuff. You must have done it by far. But in this video series, I'm not going to talk about all those platforms that does this. Rather, we're going to talk about from the career perspective, which means what are the things you need to learn to get a job in the field of AI? Now let's understand what are the kind of jobs available in the market in the field of AI. To start with, you can try AI ML engineers, Gen AI developers, AIA, which is Artificial Intelligence Analysis. Different company, different names, but the basic will be same. So whether you're learning from scratch or you've been learning it bits and pieces, this series might help you to understand things better. So to begin with, let's start with what is AI. If you look at the name of this, the name stands for Artificial Intelligence, which means this is something artificial. This is something it is trying to mimic. Now what it is trying to mimic? It is trying to mimic intelligence. Whose intelligence? Of course, human intelligence. Now, who is trying to mimic? The answer is machine. Now, what machine here we are talking about? It's simply computers. Now, the simple definition will be making the machine learn and mimic human intelligence. Now, the question is, how does it do it? It exactly does how a human baby does. When a human baby is born, he or she doesn't know anything about the real world. Then we make them learn, see this is a cat, see that is a dog. And we repeat this process multiple times, then their brain understands. And after some time, if they see any kind of breed, any kind of color of dog or cat, they're able to recognize. Almost exactly the same pattern machine follows to learn and mimic. And this approach, making a machine learn from different examples and mimic those things, it's called machine learning, which is a very crucial thing to understand in order to go further. And in interviews, they're going to ask this kind of questions more often. Now, basically, there are three categories by which a machine learns. One is supervised learning, second is unsupervised learning, third is reinforcement learning. We're going to discuss all these topics in detail in the coming lessons, but for now, you can just remember this.